in my opinion, if I'm accepting myself in terms of others, what others think about me, then it is certainly going to disappoint me, because what I feel, see, if I am having a thought process that if I'll go for the surgery because other people compare me with some XYZ, because he or she is looking beautiful than me. What if I go for surgery and it comes out with a bad outcome? I'll say, hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening. What should I call you?
My name is Nagesh.
Okay. Hi, Nageshwar. Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Okay, perfect. Right. So we are meeting for the first time, and I would like to begin with introductions. I'll go first.
Yes, sure.
Right. So my name is Ananya. I am 19 years old. I am currently in Delhi pursuing English honors with a minor in psychology from Delhi University. And my hometown is in Ludhiana. I am the only child, and I love to read and write. And I also wish to pursue psychology for my master's.
Okay, great.
Right. So, what about you?
So, as you know, my name is Nageswar, and I come from Uttar Pradesh. And right now, currently, I live in Delhi. I
Okay.
work here. I work for government, and I have a family. They stay with me, and yeah, I'm here to improve my skill, English speaking skill.
Okay. And what prospects do you think improving your spoken English skill would bring to you?
See, I'm not having any kind of prospect right now that after learning this skill, this will help me into some particular field, or because at my workplace, English is not going to be a hurdle for me, because at my workplace most of the things are the letters and everything are in English language, but as far as communication part is concerned, mostly people talk in Hindi. So that is not creating me hurdle. Actually, I was having a thought to improve my English speaking skill, so I am just working on it, so that see, we never know what is going to come in our life, what we will be doing after 10 years, after 5 years, or after 10 whatever. So life is I think life is not predictable, so we should prepare ourselves, we should upgrade ourselves on a daily basis, I'll say. We should try to upgrade on a daily basis. That is what I feel. I'm a kind of person who always try to learn, who always try to find something in everything,
Hmm.
whatever possible. If you are working on computer, then I would love to learn a bit from you in that moment. So yeah, I'm a curious student, I'll say. So I'll I am not going to stop learning. I'll keep on learning what I have thought. Yeah,
Perfect. So, did you go through the session document for today?
yeah. Just I just skim through it. Yeah, it. I think it is regarding plastic surgery and all
Yes.
something.
Plastic surgeries and other voluntary corrective
Yeah,
procedures. So, okay, let us begin. All right. It involves the restoration or reconstruction of the human body. It can be cosmetic
right.
and it can also be reconstructive, right?
Yeah,
Reconstructive
right,
is for medical purposes, right? For
right.
medical emergencies, and cosmetic is basically for to look good for aesthetic purposes.
Right. As far as this reconstructive surgery is concerned, I am totally in agreement of this. That yeah, one should go for it if they have some kind of some medical issues. They should definitely go for the, plastic surgery. But as far as this cosmetic part is concerned, I am totally a kind of person who is against it, I'll say.
Okay, okay. So what
Because
makes you? Why
yeah,
are you?
yeah, yeah. Actually, see, if I am not quoting anyone anymore. I'm just taking a, for example, per se, I'll say, or 5 or 10 number of surgery, you will end up getting frustrated. What I feel, because there are n number of examples you can see in industries. Yeah, there are few of whom surgery went very right, and they come up with a very nice face or nice look. But in most of the cases, you will find that it is majorly uh, worst surgery they have had.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
yeah, if at all you are not accepting yourself, that means uh,
Hmm.
you are, what I can say, accepting yourself is what I think most important thing.
Hmm.
The way you are.
Hmm.
That means if at all you are living with this phase, if I am living with this phase for 20 or 25 years, that means those 25 years I lived with a bad kind of thought, a bad kind of image of mind that I am not that good, or I am so bad, I should go for surgery and all. Yeah, everyone has their own perspective. Yeah.
Right. Perfect. So, before
Wo-
the session
I
gets over, we have. Oh, yeah, sorry, you were saying something.
Yeah, I wanted to ask about your opinion on this.
So, see, I think it's very easy for somebody to say that you should accept yourself. But the thing that we need to look into, the thing that needs investment is that why aren't people accepting themselves? Why aren't
Yeah,
people loving themselves as they are?
yeah.
It's because of the beauty standards that others have set.
So why we are thinking that we should get accepted by others? We should accept ourselves first. What I think, it is
So,
it is we who are not.
accept oneself if one gets berated for the way he or she looks, or one gets compared to someone who's seemingly perfect. It's very difficult to accept yourself, to love yourself as you are. If you're constantly being compared, or if you're constantly looking at someone who's considered beautiful when you aren't, when your face isn't, when your body isn't. So I think plastic surgery, as long as isn't harming you, cosmetic plastic surgery, and if you think it's going to boost your confidence, if you think it's going to make you feel better about yourself, if you think it's going to help you accept yourself, I don't think that getting plastic surgery done is wrong.
See, up to some extent you are right, but in my opinion, if I'm accepting myself in terms of others, what others think about me, then it is certainly going to disappoint me, because what I feel. See, if I am having a thought process that if I'll go for the surgery because other people compare me with some XYZ, because he or she is looking beautiful than me. What if I go for surgery and it comes out with a bad outcome, I'll say. Then
Yeah.
then in terms of what about that confidence? Then the bit confidence that I am having, that will also be I lost that.